This is our first GIMP tutorial. GIMP is an open source, a free program that you can use instead of Photoshop. So you're going to have to download GIMP. And choose your operating system. I don't know why you need to do all. And so once you've got that downloaded, open it up. And it's a lot like Photoshop. Here are all your tools and your ways to adjust your tools. You've got your layers over here. So let's create a new document, File New. And let's make that 800 pixels by 600 height. And here we'll do our very first Photoshop tutorial, but we'll do it in GIMP. So let's just randomly draw some things. Here's our color. Here's how we choose our brush. That's kind of cool. We can make a star. And let's make yellow stars. And so to change the size, we'll change this size up. And let's change it again. Change our color. So now let's make a new layer, and we can click down here to create a new layer. And we'll call that layer 2. So you'll see here we have these 2 layers. And let's do some more painting. Choose a different brush. Different colors. And now we've got 2 layers. We've got our top layer and our bottom layer. We can toggle these with these eyes. And on our top layer, just like in Photoshop, we can put a mode on that where it says mode here. Let's click on there, and you can choose any mode you like. They're all different. There's an overlay. There's difference. And once you find one you like, you'll save your work. So File, Export As, and let's export this one to our desktop. And if I select down here, I can change how I'm saving it. And we'll save this one as a JPEG. And like I said before, these tutorials will be so you can finish your Photoshops free. So we'll still call it PS1. And we'll save that one here on our desktop. Another dialog box will come up asking you how you want it. And we'll want this 100% export. Now we'll go up to Image, Scale Image. And we'll make sure this is selected. We want that to be selected. And inches, so we'll know. We'll call that 1 inch by 8 inches. That will scale down. That's our thumbnail. So of course we'll want to export that also as a JPEG, and we'll call it _thumb.jpg. We'll also save that on a desktop. 100%, and that's also exported. So now we have our thumb and we have our regular one ready to be sent to me.